Hi, I'm Colin Shant, CEO of CopperTree Solutions, and today I'm here with Melinda Hutchinson, our professional services manager. And today we're going to be talking about collaboration and communication using Microsoft Teams. Over the last couple of years, a lot of people have adopted the Microsoft Teams platform. And while they might be using it for some things, it's pretty clear that they're not really sure what exactly it can all do for them. So when you think about what it's capable of and how organizations could leverage Microsoft Teams, what are some of the areas that they should be looking at?
Teams is really primarily, like you said, it's a collaboration tool and a communication tool. It's also a window into a lot of different other tools. So one of the advantages of Teams is that you can pull into other Office 365 resources, commonly things like SharePoint, a Microsoft Planner, your email, your schedules, even your phone system can all be tied into this single platform.
So it's safe to say that it kind of wraps up a bunch of tools that Microsoft has made available and brings them all together into one portal or one platform. Is that a good way to describe it?
Yes, absolutely. And some of the places that people don't fully use Teams are things like collaborating on marketing material, using Microsoft Word or Excel in SharePoint, using it as a place to look at your documents, co-edit, have conversations, really organic conversations with your whole team about these documents, and allow things to really organically, conversations to more naturally flow on certain topics. People are accustomed to using things like chat for Skype, but a little less accustomed to using the Teams portion, which really is about tying conversations and documents into actual conversations where you see all the communications on a certain topic or documents or other types of communications, even meetings, recorded meetings, all in one chat stream on one topic.
So it's safe to say if you're not leveraging Teams, you're probably less efficient. There's maybe some inefficiencies as you switch from one program to another, one application to another, probably leaving some efficiency on the table.
Absolutely. I mean, a lot of people, they're using Zoom for their meetings. You could be doing your meetings in Teams. You could be recording your meetings in Teams. You could have the documents that you presented attached to those meetings in Teams. You can use it internally. You can use it externally. Recently, Teams, well, not even that recently, Teams has started to really develop their webinar features, both internal and external, live streaming features for full-on presentations with up to 20,000 viewers. So these are other places that you can leverage Teams in your whole environment. Everybody within your organization is familiar with the tool. You're not bringing in another thing for them to learn. It's one screen. Again, it's Windows. So it's a window into all these little pieces all around, like all throughout the Office 365 experience as well.
So if I'm a business leader that's looking to optimize their organization and kind of streamline workflows and processes, how do I find out how to solve this problem?
Okay, so Microsoft Teams allows you to use third-party applications as well, and it allows you to bring in feeds or information. So and again, this whole piece of using all the Office 365 suite in one place, you also have the ability to roll things in like Trello, Asana, both project management tools, Salesforce, SurveyMonkey. You can get all sorts of different feeds coming into the Teams channels so that people aren't logging into a different website. Some of these are direct competitors of, of Microsoft Teams. It integrates with Slack, for example, which Slack's very similar to Teams itself. Knowing which tools you use, looking for what things can be integrated, seeing what Office 365 tools that you already use, and learning how to shortcut them and integrate them into your workspaces is a great place to start and leverage the tool and consolidate everything in one place. Conversely, you may find that some things you're already using, like Zoom, for example, you may eliminate altogether the need, especially if you start adding in things like conferencing, licensing, and then I mean, even just your phone system. So right now with COVID and the mobility, people wanting to work remotely, people having hybrid environments, you can have a VoIP system that, again, this whole chat experience, video conferencing experience can essentially happen all in the one platform, which conversely installs on your phones, your tablets. It's compatible with iOS, most standard devices. So you got that maximum flexibility.
I believe there's also a marketplace. If you go in there and search for solutions, there's a lot of different applications that can be plugged in or connected or integrated in some way within Microsoft Teams. So there's a lot of, if you're not sure where to start, just pop into the marketplace and see what's there. There's a good chance some of the tools that you're already using might be already integrated.
Which is very true. And you go into any of the Teams environments, there's tabs at the top as well. You can add in shortcuts to different things. And when you go in there, you can see all the apps that have ready-made plugins or APIs that you can leverage as well. So absolutely.
One of the things we do here at CopperTree as we work with our clients, especially as part of our VCIO and strategic planning process, is really looking for ways to help our clients leverage technology and utilize tools that they have to increase their efficiency, collaboration, and communication within their organization. And Microsoft Teams is an area where we see a lot of opportunity right now. We see a lot of organizations using it. Almost nobody is using it to its full potential. And I think there's so much more that can be done within that platform. We really just want to encourage everybody to dive into that and look at how they can use it within your organization. I think there's so much opportunity to save money. If we can go from 3 or 4 tools down to one tool, it's easier to manage, it's easier to use. There's a lot of efficiency to be gained there. So I would highly recommend that anybody kind of look into how they might be able to utilize this tool better. And if you have a partner that you can connect with, talk to them about how you could better leverage Teams.
Thanks for joining us as we talked about how to collaborate and communicate more efficiently using Microsoft Teams. Please visit our website at coppertreesolutions.ca to discover CopperTree today.